Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the Play console and signing in with the developer account that receives payouts. Once signed in, go straight to Payment Settings because that's where Google links your earnings to your payment profile. Make sure your tax forms and banking info are uploaded. Without them, a balance won't be released. If you don't see payments, confirm console role permissions. This step lets you view gross revenue versus withheld amounts and prepares you to fetch the detailed payout report next. Once done with account access, navigate to the Payment Center and open the Reports or Payout section to pull precise figures. You want to filter by the payout month and select the app or aggregated developer account view so you don't miss transfers or refunds. Download the CSV to inspect line items, sales, refunds, taxes, and fees, because Play Console shows net versus gross differently. Make sure to cross-check currency conversions if you sell in multiple countries. That explains differences between reported revenue. To finish, reconcile the downloaded payout with your bank statement. Match the payout date, amount, and reference ID. If the deposit is missing or the amount differs, first verify your payment profile isn't on hold for tax verification or a policy issue. These are common causes for withheld payouts. If everything appears correct but the money isn't in your account, prepare the CSV, your developer account ID, and a clear timeline. Then contact Google Payment Support so they can trace the transfer and resolve holds quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.